Jayden's playing left field. Game 5.
You're really listening to the theme song.
Versus Marvin. All right, Jay, elbows up. There you go. Hi, Kira.
I'm more?
No, there's no more milk.
Go, Run faster!
There we go. Go, go, go. Come on.
Get out of there. Taylor, get out of there. If the ball comes to him,
All right, Jay, come on.
First or second, guys. First or second.
Yeah, let's watch Jay. He's batting. First at bat. Yeah, playing the Dodgers. Can you watch him? There you go.
Oh, right.
Yes.
Go two! Go two! Okay.
Good hit, bud.
My daughter plays at 7 over there. My other daughter wants to
Go, go, go. Hi, Kira. Kira, hi.
Oi, 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 oi.
Oh, did they get him?
All right, nice try, buddy.
Couldn't really go anywhere. Good job, Jay.
Kind of went out of there.
There you go. Go, go,
Run,
go.
Jay, run, fast! Don't look at the ball! Run! Yeah, run! Take it! Go! Take it! Go to third! Go to third! Jay, run! Jay!
Oh my gosh.
Jay, go home!
No, you're gonna make him out.
There you go, Jay. Nice.
It's like, what?
You gotta listen to your base coach.
Look, everybody's yelling.
There we go.
Run! Yeah, slide! Wait!
Good job, Jay.
Good job! Nice!
Way to go.
Yeah!
He's all tired. Good running.
Only good pitches, bud. Jay, only good pitches. Wait for it.
Good.
Foul. Jay, elbow up.
Okay, Jay, big hit. This is your time to hit it.
Elbows up.
Okay, way to stay in there.
Good.
Good try, Jayden.
Swing like you mean it. Swing like you mean it.
All right, keep going, buddy.
Good effort.
Come on. Okay, last one, Jay. You gotta hit this one.
Jay, swing hard on this one. Doesn't matter. Oh,
Good try,
Jay.
buddy.
Run it in. You okay?
Nice. Go! Way to battle, Sam. You gotta like it.
Stop it! Get on second! Hold it up! Hold it up! What are you doing?
I'm watching him at showtime. See? 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 Oh, man. Hold it up! Good, send him back. Orioles, baseball ready?
Get the ball.
Go, 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 go! You gotta get there! Way to go, Jay! No, we have one out. 1 out, 4 runs in.
Right in their face.
Go. Gotta fight time.
We can do it.
Get ready.
Sorry, I couldn't answer because my son was...
All right, Troy. Oh my gosh. Wow. Two outs. 19-14. 14? Yeah. 19-14. We're getting caught up. Yes, we did. All right, Shannon, big hit. Good hit, Tannen.
5:51. 5 minutes, 5 runs. We can do it.
Oh, good try, bud. Jayden, come on. Good try, boys.
I thought this game was...
That's it.
Maki, go stand with Taylor so you guys can coach from the side.
Look, eggs. Toys. Go get the eggs. You're gonna cut eggs.
Put it in your basket.
Come here, look. Check the game so you can get this one.
Here, look over here.
Check it. Look, see? Here, cupcake. Here, cupcake. Look, here, do you see cupcake?
Okay, Taylor, let her just look, please.
Shake. What it? Go shake. Oh, you got it.
Hi, Elizabeth.
Good job. Get some more.
Go shake. Wanna shake it? Shake.
Yours is at your house. Yeah.
Hard ones.
Really? You already had them? Okay, they can't be too high because I'm tall.
Look at these kids.
There's
Look at that
ladders.
yellow one.
Kira, is there any more? Kira, is there more? Look, Kira. Look over there. Look over there. Kira, look. You found it. Say thank you.
Look, what's inside right there?
Oh, wow, you found a chocolate. Kira, can you get it? You got it. Good. Where's more? Oh, look, Kira, there's chocolate. There's chocolate right here, too. Chocolate. You can get chocolate, too. Yeah, I want that one. I like that chocolate. You want me to hold it? Okay. Thank you. Is there more? Oh, I see more. Look, there's something in there. What is that? What is that? You think that's chocolate? Wow. We should count yours. Hey, go ahead.
Don't toss it. Don't toss it. You're gonna hurt each other.
He might need help.
We'll help you with that one. Just find other eggs. I'm gonna look. Bring it down. Time to look.
Okay, no pushing.
They're all over. They're
Go
on
look.
the car.
Go look. What do you say?
Sasha.
Joshie, did you find some? Can we help you? Look, Joshie, right here. Oh, good job. Elizabeth, did you find rocks? Hi, babies. Hi.
No, that's rude.
Yeah, so boys, it's not past where these trash cans are, okay? You need help getting that one?
Yeah. So, Josh, come here.
Yeah, use her as a ladder, yeah. Joshie, you can reach it, huh?
Can she reach it? Sophia, look.
Grab it, grab it.
Yay!
Good job.
Oh, that's for Josh.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
You shall have one.
Do you have one?
Sure.
She has one.
She already has one. That's- Now, Jayden, hold on. You need to pause and count yours. Sit down. Sit down right now and count them.
How many you have?
3 baseball ones.
Cool.
Hey, Joshua, stand next to Sophia.
There's some in the flowers she can get too.
She already did get one.
Sophia.
Joshua, turn.
Oh, look at you stand. Yeah, I only see one.
That egg fell through. That line.
Whoa, Taylor, be very careful. Ask someone for help.
Yeah, be careful.
No help.
Right here.
Right here.
Yeah, use a stick.
Taylor, catch it.
Alright, who wants no help?
Oh, Kara wants to do it. Get money sold. There's a.
You ready? You ready? You ready? Good job. Here. You have to use a mop.
All that work for one egg.
That'll be worth it.
And you have one.
Flats.
There's a couple.
Because I'm wearing those heels.
Where I had a couple of jackpots where I hit more than one. It was so good, such a good hiding. But I gotta
Wow.
be careful because
Yeah.
unless they want to lose a hand.
They should have started first, maybe. Like, they're going to be here a while.
Yeah. Yeah, they are.
Do you probably want to help me with
How many did you get? How many did you get from that plant? Cause see, that one's safe. Cause we have a bunch of aloe vera. We can't be putting a lot on there. Or like we have some other ones, like the rose.
Yeah.
And I didn't do any over there.
Oh my goodness. You're not together. I have people stand. Jake, get down. People standing, people sitting.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
All right.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Okay, you guys are open.
Happy Easter. Let's open it here. Should I help you? Let's open it here. Happy Easter.
Well, Mary, we can open that one over there.
Yeah, there's a blue one there.
Yeah, nobody's opened the blue one. Since blue is our favorite color.
I'm just gonna open this one here. This is a beautiful spot. Really, you have to double wrap it.
Yep. That's because of Pete Sneakies.
Because of Swiper.
Yeah, Swiper.
For you, Kira.
Look at that.
Why not double wrap?
Looks like a eating G.I. Joe.
What is this?
Oh,
That's a bank.
Jay's has an Avengers theme.
Ooh, hard.
Kira's has a Dora theme. That's your keys? Yes. Taylor has a she'll have to open up and see theme. I don't know.
I got right on the Guardian.
wow, Jay.
What's the Guardians?
It's a movie.
And two
Kira.
flopping eggs. That's it.
Kira, throw it. Watch it.
Chicken.
How's the Guardians?
Oh,
Throw it at me.
Oh, another one over here too. You got a flashing bird.
Oreos.
Look at her.
Jay, that's to go on your backpack. You put your name on the back. We'll take the other one off with your picture. And we'll use that one.
We use it for the rest of the season.
That's right. I noticed the other one's getting kind of.
Taylor, you got yours figured out there?
Oh yeah, my other one. What's in here?
Oh.
Nothing.
Oh, here. This
That
all.
stays in the bag.
Jay, unless you
Jay
pick
gets
it up.
cleanup.
Oh, now see what you got your sister doing.
I want to see what's inside of it.
Okay.
So you did.
Kara, what'd you get? Show Daddy.
I would my keys. I got two.
You got this? Oh, you got keys. Nice. What else you get? You want me to open it? Okay.
I'm gonna open my bunny rabbit.
Taylor, what theme is yours?
Bunny rabbit, bunny rabbit.
Varied. Yes.
What is it?
Varied. Stuff Taylor loves. Theme.
Big, big girl stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get anything? You get like a movie or anything like that?
I got a Pitch Perfect thing.
What is it?
Pitch Perfect
CD.
CD.
Guess what song's on there? Yes. Oh, Kira, good. You're gonna open the door with your new keys? Can you do it? Uh-huh.
Help me.
Help me.
No, you're doing just fine.
I hope we're not teaching her how to open the door.
Help me. Help me. Help me, Mommy.
Kira, happy Easter.
Help me.
Kira, can you sing a happy Easter song?
Help me.
Help you.
No, don't you steal Jelma. Don't you steal Jelma.
Look,
Who stuffed this basket?
Look.
No.
Mommy?
Mommy, who stuffed this basket? Who put
the Easter Bunny.
stuff in?
Sorry, do that again. The Easter Bunny and his mini Easter Bunny
Assistants.
and his chickies.
I at least
And-
know you two did that because you put this in and I know Grandma put this in.
I didn't put that in.
Grandma put it in. Help me.
I think a lot of Easter bunnies did yours.
Like Grandma. Ah, no, leave it.
Big girl.
Help me.
Okay, I'll help you. I'll help you. Hey, Jay, big hat, buddy.
Eye on the ball, buddy. That's not a
Ready for me. You're ready for me.
how you swing.
There you go, Jay. Get there, get there, get there. Good try, bud.
All right, it's okay. Come on in.
All right, good cut, buddy. Ah.
Good try.
Oh my goodness.
Stand up, don't slide.
That's it. Come on, Jay, bring him home. Take those extra bases. Good job, Jared.
Jayden, big hit, buddy.
Big hit. Bring him home.
Okay, do it again, Jay.
Don't tell me to come
Yeah, Jay.
Jay, one more swing. Okay, good try, bud. Okay, Jayden, your turn. Big hit, buddy.
No.
Right there on the grass where I can see you.
What?
Yeah, stand up at the point. What? And then you can play right there. Right there on the grass.
Jay, only good pitches, bud.
There you go. Oh,
Number 7 was he out? I never seen
Last
him
pitch,
come
buddy.
in.
Let's
number
go.
7 was a
Go.
strikeout. Yeah,
Yeah, okay, thank
Last
you.
swing.
yeah.
Jay, good job.
Okay, good try, buddy.
So, hey, what are you doing today? I'm not going to the mall. So, wait, why are we on stage? I know, I thought we were going for some drinks. So, what are we supposed to do now? Why are we on stage? Yeah, let's do that. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the way end. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow. What do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, I know you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I put fruition, oh well, don't ask me, I'll never tell. I look to you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I'm begging for a steal. I have put side in the wheel. I wasn't looking for this, and now you're in my way. You still was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night when it's blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Some nights I'm wet, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a drop. Some nights I wish my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish it'd fall off. And here we go. Oh, I don't know what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? What do I stand for? Oh, I don't know. I got my ticket.
All right, girls.
for the long-
We're gonna stop you, not because you did anything wrong, but we only have to see a part of it.
Mommy, I told you to bring my monkey chair. Mommy, I want to sit on
Oh, so close. Good job, boys.
It's actually kind of warm. I don't think their sport people was here. Oh, buddy, gotta get the ball first then. Get the ball before you make the play. That was Connor. He missed it. He thought he had it. And it wasn't.
There we go, there we go.
You got it. Good job.
Nice play.
Back him up, Adrian.
There we go.
Go, Jayden.
Get there.
Jay, elbows up.
Get there before I throw a boomerang. Oh yeah!
Okay, Jayden, come on, bud. There you go. Go, buddy, get there, get there.
Nice hit, Jayden.
Good try, bud.
Because Pat took him to the batting cages on Saturday and said he was hitting every ball at batting cage, which is he's never done before. So, wow.
Come on, Jay. There you go. Now you got to get there. Good job, buddy.
Right here? Yeah, I may take that out there with me.
There you go. Go, get there, boys. There you go. There you go. Get there, boys.
How'd you do his mini?
Wow. Whoa. Nice job, Jayden. Wow, come on. Woohoo! Woo, good running.
Play with baby.
Hey, hands back.
Crazy.
Mommy, who's mommy? Mommy.
Jayden, try to catch the ball, bud, okay?
Make him wear away.
Wait, why? Why was that safe?
I missed that one, so they're the same thing. They're the same.
Happened to the beat.
Mom!
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Jay, start us off, bud.
Right now.
Take care, watch.
Got one base hit. Yeah. He's only been up once so far. No.
Where's the,
I can do it
right here. No, Kara, watch Jay. Hey, Jay, you can do it, buddy.
I want more. I love mom.
Okay, good try, bud.
All right.
You got it.
Hey, Jay, watch the ball, bud. There you go. Go, go, go. You got to get there faster. Come on. Oh. Okay, Jay, you can do it, buddy. There you go. Careful, careful. There you go, 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 go! Go, Jay!
I got so excited I turned it off. Got your eye on her?
Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Come on, Jay! Whoa! Nice, Logan! What? Okay, Jay. Big hit, bud. There you go. Nice spot. Way to go, bud. Woo! Yeah, I know. Good job, Jay. Yeah. Maybe they'll come back. Yeah, way to stay in there, Noah.
So I heard the party's gonna.
Big hit, buddy. There you go. Good job, bud.
Go, go, go.
Woo! Oh. Whoa! Woo! Good running, Connor. Oh, good job, Kyle. Way to go. Woo! Good running, buddy.
What did she say?
Jay, hit it like last time.
Elbow up. Jay, elbow up and back. Come on.
Go.
Elbow
Jay,
up.
swing like you mean it, okay?
Come on.
Gotta hit the ball.
Your elbows up. Come on.
Yeah.
Okay, bud, that's it. Come on in.
Okay, good catch.
Get ready, Marlon!
Go.
There you go.
Whoa, heads up.
Like, whoa, I never did
Okay, Jay, good hit.
The social worker will recommend that they take some parenting classes or something. You know? It's just.
Okay, hustle in, bud.
There are no playoffs, right? This will be the last game next week.
Good game, Orioles.
Oh, yeah. By far, her whole head taller than everything.
Getting minimal? Just like.
Your elbow up.
Hey, come on, bud.
Run, ready, run. Good.
El número.
Camera's so fun.
What, the camera?
Uh-huh.
Now ball.
Go! Go! Woo! Go, Jayden! No. Good running, guys. Whoa!
Slide!
Good job. Woo! Big hit, buddy. Good swing, Jay.
Elbow up. Swing like you mean it.
Jay, come on, buddy. You got it, dude. Oh, too low. Okay, good try.
Okay, next time.
You got it, Jayden.
Keep your back foot in there. Let's go. You got towards the pitch.
There you go, Jay. Get there, get there. Go faster. Oh, good try, buddy. Jay, good hit, bud. Come on, Jay, elbows up. Jayden, put your elbow up. Go! Woo! Way to go, Jay! Nice hit, buddy.
Good job, Jayden.
Woo!
Let's go, Noah. Bring Kyle home, bud.
You see, Kira? You see baseball? See Bubba hit it.
He was so close.
Go, Noah! Go, Jay! Go, go! I don't know. Woo! Good running, Jay!
Just stay on the base.
Good job. Yeah,
Look into that base.
he came off of it, but he came right back on, so.
Go, Logan.
Good job, bud.
Woo! Go, go, go! Jayden! Jayden, run! Jayden, run! Good job, Jay! Keep going. Come on, Tannen. Good eye.
Let's go, Tannen. Yeah, Tannen. Let's go.
Woo! Good job, Orioles. Good running.
Like, I've got 3 games sitting on my computer at home that I haven't posted. I was gonna wait till the end and then post them.
Jay, start us off, buddy.
Let's go, Jayden.
Jay, elbows out, bud. Go, Jay, go! Good job, Jayden!
Come on, Noah.
I know. I'm just saying, he's trying to go on the side.
Let's go, Noah. Let's go.
There you go. Go, 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 go. Oh. Come on, Jay. He wants it.
Come on, Logan. You got 4 more, bud. You can wait for it.
There you go.
Nice hit. Get down, get down.
Go, Jay, go.
Come in, come in, come in, come in. Down.
Woo! 17-15. Woo! Last game, they won. Woo! Good job, Blue.
Good job, Rangers!
Woo!
All right.